Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your phone's NFC is enabled and battery is above 10%. Next, open your wallet app and add the credit card. Follow issuer verification by SMS or bank app, because that step links your account securely. Once done, set the card as your default contactless payment in settings and try a quick $5 purchase at a terminal to confirm the tap works. This proves the tokenization and device pairing are active. You now focus on the middle steps and security. When a merchant requires authentication, unlock with Face ID, fingerprint, or your PIN. This prevents unauthorized use. Then, hold the phone 1 to 2 centimeters from the contactless reader and keep it steady until you hear a tone or see a green light. Make sure you understand tokenization. Your device sends a temporary token, not the actual card number, which reduces fraud risk, so the how and why of security are clear as you use it. You finish the flow by confirming the transaction and handling errors. After the tap, verify the merchant screen shows approval and glance at your wallet app for the record. If contactless is refused, be ready to use chip or PIN. Some terminals require that for large amounts or offline modes. If the tap fails repeatedly, restart NFC toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then try again. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card to refresh tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.